Hi friends, this is Kelsey with Life Alchemy, and this is a 7-minute guided mindfulness meditation to come into presence. However you're feeling right now, and wherever you are, this practice is for you. All of you is welcome here. And any adjustments to this practice that would best serve you are most welcome too. Let's begin by coming into whatever shape would best support your body and practice right here, right now. Becoming aware of the surface beneath you and noticing how you're held. Inviting a deep, full breath in and a long, slow breath out, maybe sighing. Repeating this cycle a few more times at your own pace. On each of the exhalations, seeing if you can soften any tension that might be in the body. Maybe relaxing at the eyes, the jaw, or the shoulders. If the breath is a comfortable home base for you to anchor your attention, begin to notice the body breathing itself. Maybe noticing the air at the nostrils, or the rise and fall of the chest and belly. Another option is to scan the attention up and down the body, noticing the sensations that are present or not present, or to focus the attention somewhere specific, like in the hands. Please feel welcome to choose any home base that feels either neutral or pleasant. Wherever you've chosen to anchor the attention, see if you can meet whatever unfolds moment to moment with kindness and curiosity. Simply noticing and welcoming whatever is present for you right here, right now. If something difficult arises, see if you can hold that in kind awareness too. It can be helpful to name what's happening, or to ask yourself, can I be with this? On your own now, deepening the attention on your chosen anchor. If the attention has wandered, as it naturally does, gently return to your home base anchor. Each time you notice is a moment of mindfulness and an opportunity to come into presence. might notice how sensations at your chosen anchor change, how everything has a flow of coming and going, waxing and waning. Before this meditation comes to a close, take a moment to rest here in kind awareness itself. With this practice, we are building our capacity to be present in the full spectrum of experience with love and care. The present moment is always here for you, and the home base where you anchored attention is a pathway for arriving. You might set an intention to take notice of what's unfolding at your home base anchor throughout the day to continue your practice of coming into presence. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.